Let's talk fonts, as they might look great, but if not handled the right way, they can actually slow your site down. So instead of pulling fonts from Google's server every time, this option here lets you host them right on your own server. That means faster load times. Plus, it helps you stay on the safer side of things where it comes to GDPR compliance. Next up, within the Google fonts only, we've got the display swap option, which solves that annoying flash of invisible text issue. Basically, it shows fallback fonts while your main font is still loading, so your visitors aren't staring at a blank screen for no reason. Also, if you're someone who wants to go all in on system fonts, you can simply turn them off from right here. But honestly, in most cases, self-hosting is that sweet middle ground which is faster, reliable, and just works.